Hi guys, it's me Adarsh, and in this video I've shown you how you can find different and the various images for your own Shopify website, okay? For like the display section or like any section of your website, okay? As we all know, like the images play a really key factor in the overall display and overall feel of a Shopify store, okay? So to find the designated image, what kind of like a particular image we want, we have to go through different sites. Okay, so in this video I have covered different sites from paid ones to free ones. Okay, so in this site you will find different websites from where you can find different images for your own Shopify store. Okay, so watch this video till the end to get to know about all of those websites and pages. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so see, I would like to take a moment here and let me talk about images in general. Okay, so see, images play a really key part in your Shopify store. Okay, like whenever someone enters your Shopify store, like you can see here, they have like a video kind of, but we need a display image, or we need an image in every page, like for different sections and everything. Okay, in our Shopify store we use different kinds of image other than the product pictures. Okay, so see, there are different websites, different pages where you can find images. Okay, there are like an enormous amount of library online where you can find images. Okay, some are free and some are paid ones. Okay, so I'm going to start with the paid ones. Okay, now don't think like, oh, why should we buy an image if we can find it for free? Okay, because see, if you buy an image, the quality of that image will be greater than the quality of the free images, and the library you get in the paid section is more enormous. Okay, you get different kinds of images. You get every single image is of like the utmost quality. Okay, and the categories of images you got, they are like enormous. Okay, but in the case of like free images, they are like a bunch of images in a category, which almost like every Shopify store is nowadays using. Okay, so in the long run it will be really beneficial for you if you buy an image. Okay, like first you can go to like iStockPhoto.com. Okay, see, this is a paid site. Okay, in this video I'm going to cover both paid as well as free sites for images. Okay, so you can see, like, just type, let's say we are selling like dog pendants or something. Okay, so just select dog. Yeah, see, you can see all of these images, they are, you can use these images, you can buy these images, they are like paid ones. Okay, see, you can see these images, there's like yeah, see, you have like 1.61 million images. You can use any of those. Okay, like normal images cost almost like $5 to $10. Okay, on these sites. Okay, so if you buy this image, you can use it for lifetime. Okay, if you buy any image of, let's say you buy this one, then you can use this image on any of your sites anywhere if you own this image. Okay, then we have another site for paid ones. Okay, which is this shutterstock.com. Okay, see, it's free 1 month trial. Okay, and then you can cancel any times. Okay, 10 images per month annual, so you can obviously use this free plan and get free images from it, or otherwise it's also a paid option. Okay, you can see there are so many images. You can like just type dog. See these images, see these kind of high quality images, you won't get all of these in the free section. Okay, see, all of these are like the paid ones. Okay, see, 39 3.9 million. Okay, like close to like 4 million images you can choose from here for your Shopify website. Okay, so as I said, the paid section of images, they have a much larger library to choose from. Okay, see, there are so many images. Okay, and quality of every single image is so great, you can use this image or any image. Okay, yeah. Now let's go to another site. Okay, see this one, this is stockfreeimages.com. Okay, see, this site particularly is the best site for for the free images. Okay, you can, like, if you are starting, I will highly recommend you can start with the free images, and when the store will be profitable, you can change the images. Okay, so see, all of these images, you can use any of these images, all of them are free. Okay, so if you like go to dog, see, from these kind of images you have to Like, you see, there are so many types of images. Like, you can see the quality of these images compared to these. This is more better, okay? But in these, you have to like choose from like a bunch of images, like which one you want, okay? Like the quality of this one is great, okay? Then this one is good. Like this image, this is not that great, okay? The quality is not that great, okay? You can choose this one. You can see 383 more pages, okay? Yeah, so the amount of images you get in these pages, like free images, like 3.3 million. Yeah, I think it's the total one. Yeah, it's like total free images for every single category combined is like 3.3 million, okay? And in this site, you just get how many? Yeah, in this site you just get 3.9 million images only for dogs category, okay? See, 18,000 images for dogs. Okay, so you can choose images from this site too. Okay, okay. See, so it was like stock free images. We have another site called like, see, this is the Shopify site. Okay, this is for like, this site is made for like Shopify users. Okay, burstshopify.com. Okay, go to here, go to let's say dog. Okay, dog photos. Okay, now see the quality of these images and everything. Okay, low, high resolution. Okay, see the kind of pictures you get on this site. Okay, because these pictures, all of them are like categorized for the usage of like Shopify stores. Okay, because it's a Shopify site like world.shopify.com. Okay, so you can see the quality of these, all of these images are so great. Okay, so you don't have to edit or anything. Okay, you just have to, if you want to crop or resize it, that's it. Okay, like if you want to sell like glasses. Okay, you see the images you get on this. Okay, high resolution to low resolution, everything. Okay, so this is a tool by Shopify itself where you can find images. Okay, and then the last tool which you have is unsplash.com. Okay, for free images you can see, just type like that we are searching for dog images, so search for dogs. See, so as you can see, when you're searching for like let's say dog images on like similar free websites, so most of the images are going to get repeated. Okay, like some images you saw on this website will also be on the free section of other websites. Okay, but in the paid section you get new images. Okay, so you can see this site like it only has 500 plus images, but yeah, we only need a couple of images. Okay, so these were the options. Okay, I will highly recommend you take some time to choose images. And if you someone comes to a Shopify store and like the main image, display image, or any image quality is not that good, it gives a bad impression about the store. Like the images are not of good quality, so might the products will not be of good quality or something like that. Okay, so take some time to choose the images. Okay, as I already given you, there are so many websites you can find free as well as paid images. Okay, so find your images. Okay, see, there's so many images, dog images you get on one single site. Okay, so take some time to check which images you want, and put every single images as per their needs. Okay, like don't put like dog images on cat sections or anything like that. Okay, like if you want a cat, yeah, if you want like a dog and cat image, see dog and cat image. Okay, you can find images for them with them together. Like you can see this image, these are great. Okay, like this one too. Okay, so take some time to find images and make your Shopify store a great looking store. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. As I already just said, this video is the part of a Shopify series in which I am taking you on a journey from creating your own Shopify store to adding products to advertising to making real profit. So to get notified when I upload my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload my video. Thank you very much.